Hi, I'm Kesh Tan, Global Product Manager for the ZD220 series printer. In this video, I will show you how to install the Zebra Setup utility on your computer. First, you need to go to the ZD220 printer support page, which can be accessed through the QR code and the zebra.com link shown. Once you're in the support page, scroll down, go to Downloads. In the section, look for Application. Then you can find the Printer Setup utility for Windows. Download the latest version. Click on I agree to and accept, and the download will begin. Once the download is completed, double-click on the program. Now click Next, I accept, and Next, 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 and Next, and the installation will start. Click on I have read the information above, and click Next, and your Zebra Setup Utilities is done. Now click on Run Zebra Setup Utilities now, and click Finish. Your Zebra Setup Utilities you will start running, and you will start to prepare the printer drivers for preloading. Now connect your printer through the USB cable to your computer and click Finish. And your printer driver will be pre-installed on your system. Once it's successfully installed, it will appear on your window of your Zebra Setup Utilities and you're now ready to configure your printer.